What if your dream business isn't something you chase, but something you already are? This is Neville Goddard's biggest insight, and it'll rewire how you manifest success. Live as if your wish is already fulfilled. You're not a beggar of circumstances. You're the operant power behind them. Want success, love, health, abundance? Assume it's already yours, and reality shifts. Here's the mindset upgrade. Stop wanting. Start being. Wanting means I hope. Being means I know. And your subconscious only responds to knowing. The world? It's just a mirror. It reflects what you feel to be true, not what you say you want. So how do we flip the switch? Use imagination like a strategic tool. Feel the handshake of the deal. See your bank account at that dream number. Hear happy clients say, "You changed my life." Your subconscious doesn't know if it's real or imagined. It reacts to emotion and repetition. So give it a vision it has to obey. Now take action, but not from fear, not from desperation, from alignment. When you believe it's already done, you act bold, confident, magnetic. You stop chasing, because now you attract. Next, upgrade your identity. Think like the CEO you want to be. Speak like them. Make decisions like them. Live like them now. This identity shift? That's the lever that moves mountains. But here's the tricky part. Stop checking the results. Like planting a seed, you don't dig it up every day. You trust the process. You let go. And letting go isn't giving up. It's belief. It's power. Now layer in gratitude. Be grateful for what's here and what's coming. That energy tunes you to receive. And joy? That's the high-frequency fuel that makes you unmissable. So here's your daily routine. Morning. Visualize your day as the successful version of you. Feel it. Write 3 things you're grateful for, including goals already fulfilled. Say affirmations out loud. I already run a thriving business. Take bold action as the person you already are. And at night check in, did I live today from my future self? This is the formula. Assume, embody, act, let go, trust. You shift your inner state and the outer world aligns. Your strategy flows, your content hits, and your people, they find you. You're not chasing opportunity. You are the opportunity. This is Monkey Mind Mechanics. Subscribe for more tools to rewire your reality and make mindset your superpower.